everyone. Hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you. God bless you. My people, I want to talk about one video when I see where it be saying if maybe because maybe you be public figure, you want the buy things and not want use one the same clothes when I don't use for video when I do, you come make you the buy. That make I want to talk this topic today because I see one lady, she come they say you know why impress people again, or because she na public figure, because she na star, she na this, she will begin the buy, she will they buy clothes, they buy this, you know. It says her room and one, if you see one room, the girl call the video everywhere. See clothes. She even get clothes which she never ever wear before. Well, because she not go, if she not able to remember, say she still get them. All because I don't want to wear clothes when I don't feel wear to do video. I don't want to wear clothes when I don't feel wear because I'm a public figure. The girl begin the chat. Say who na be? Who na be? Where she go because of that one? They buy. And I say, see. So many people they do this thing. I don't want to wear clothes. Also because I wear the same clothes when I feel wear before to do video. Say because of that, you know go watch my video. Now in thorough, now in con whether na my clothes you want the look or na waiting my topic when I dey talk now she want the look now you can know because I don't feel because of person. What begin they buy. See this girl now. He say she begin to pack all the clothes come out. She not feel even wear again. She not feel even wear again. In fact, when she able to show the video, I go show her the video. When she able they show the video, that is like it be like say I ain't myself not know what she they do because he say clothes not too many shoes, not be shoes they call they talk. Even I see clothes, even where even boutique where they for the sell clothes. I own one room for clothes, a big person. Only for clothes. If you see clothes, it could show some shoes where we say she they buy for $1,000, $2,000. Who you want to impress? You want to impress people. You want make because say you be public figure. Maybe people they see you say you they dress, and so many people they do this thing. Before this one come cry out now say he no want impress people again. She not tired. So they impress people. Who say because I wear a clothes when I don't wear before to do video say no go wash me. Now he thorough. Now he know. Now they give me the money when I tell they buy them. When I begin it because of people they buy. Because I don't want to use the same clothes. I go use them. Now clothes when I get now I go wear. I don't feel go because of people begin they buy. They buy. If you not see clothes, I don't even need to tell you now. More about myself. See what I talk about. Okay.
This one cannot go on, madam.
Yeah.
We are going to do. Come. How can someone look
Yeah.
at? Show them. Look at. How can someone have all these clothes?
Understand?
For what? Hey, we start with this. Look at this one. Here.
Understand?
This is Mombasa. Rombo is coming. Look. How can someone have 1 million clothes that they don't?
Okay.
Hey, chai.
Okay.
Salon.
Okay.
See, you don't know madness.
Okay. It's
This
madness.
is madness.
Yeah.
Can I have our own room for
Okay.
these clothes when some people don't have clothes?
Okay.
Madam, come shop. Take them out all.
Mm-hmm.
No,
Understand?
this habit must stop.
It must stop. So many people they do this
thing
thing.
happened when I could not put on my one cloth for 2 days.
Okay.
When I put on my clothes for 2 days, Neas, hey, we are tired of that cloth.
Mhm.
Now see what social media pushed me in.
Okay.
See what social media pushed me into before
Okay.
I learned who they were. Until I learned them Neas that they don't even have clothes to change.
Okay.
That's why you are-
Una the year.
Even some still
Is it
have
that now you know what is social media be?
See, I'm just show them. See what social media can make you
Okay.
as a person. See, I've just cleaned this just part 1. Then we are coming to part 2.
Okay.
This is
Una the same.
same as church clothes. Go
The
and-
people when they even impress, they don't even get clothes when
Then
they
this
do.
one.
Mhm.
This I don't know, I can call them Malaya clothes or
Okay.
whatever clothes they want to be.
Okay.
This social media, I just buy my expensive clothes. I put it on one time. I cannot repeat because they will tell me,
Hey.
you are repeating that clothes.
Eh.
How many times? Mrs. Nyas, see what, before I learned what social media is, see what they pushed me into.
Okay.
The clothes I've ever put on just once.
Just
And then
once.
it is done. Some are even stolen by the houses and the households and everything. See, this is just Mombasa. Rongo is another set. I am offloading everything.
Okay.
And I will be putting on one cloth for five times in a month.
Okay.
If you come and tell me that I repeated that cloth, I will insult you, you, your mother, your father, your child.
Okay.
And I want you to tell me your wardrobe before you tell me that I've put on clothes two times. See what you people have done for me.
Okay.
See, all this is money. All this is money that
Okay.
I've wasted because of social media. Because if I put on my clothes, I bought expensive for two times, maybe 2 times a month. My clothes.
Eh.
You put it on. See, this one. These shoes. I don't even know. It's even torn.
Okay.
Go and call the police in your area. They tell them a police putting on a torn shoes. These shoes I bought it in Switzerland since 3 years
Una dey
ago.
see am?
They don't even know if I have 2 or 1. Then they can see what you put me into. See, you put
Social media, and I put on
pushed me
social
until-
media.
You pushed me until I'm now owning a clothes shop in my home. I had to prepare a wardrobe
Go.
and have all this kind. See, social media, see, you made my house into rubbish. You made my house into rubbish with your comments. This is how you push us celebrities into wasting money. For
Okay.
us. I even have
Una dey hear? See where see shoes.
I didn't know you would look. I didn't even know this one was here.
She even get one where she never even
Who are you?
wear.
Who are you, idiot? Who are you? Who are you to tell me what to put on and who have broken my leg? Who are you to tell me when to dress and when not to? What
Okay.
to put on 2 times and when? If I find you on my wall again, wait, I must breathe. I say, yes,
Please
if
don't
I
break
find
your
you on my
legs.
wall again, telling me how I should dress,
Then
and if I should not be
I see say that they get your life for
are
you.
shopping for me?
Mm.
Are you shopping for me?
Okay. Okay.
You will make celebrities commit suicide. Hey, that dress you put it on 2 times. Hey,
How can you put on that dress 2 times? Social media, who they help? Who you because of them they bye.
You think I'm joking? See what madness you are driven me into. See, this is another. This is supposed to be Papayo's room. Papayo left. Now this is another clothes for one person. See, shoes. I cannot even
See
put on my
shoes.
boots in. These boots I bought for $1,500. Now if I put it on 2 times, they tell me, hey, you put on that shoes 2, 3, 4 times. We are tired. You and who? You and who is tired over my dress code?
Okay.
What I'm dressing and what I'm not. Idiot.
Mhm.
Go and call police, tell them I'm sick.
Okay.
From today, I'll put on my clothes again. What? You cannot beat me. You cannot take me anywhere. I'm
You
coming
think don't cause craze for a body? Oh.
for one person. See shoes.
See shoes,
I
see clothes.
pair of legs.
You know how much be all those ones?
And you want
I know of one guy.
to have different kind of shoes every week, every day, every day. Madam, show me your life. Show me your life before you start dictating how I live my life.
Okay.
Idiot.
See clothes. See clothes, my people. See clothes. When I see the way because of I'm a public figure, I must buy. See she herself, she can't know. Say when she can't know, say social media no worth am. They not even worth all those things where be say they want kill themselves or they go they buy. They want to do imitation. They buy hair. They buy 100 clothes. You know how they see them. They put different hair for they buy. They spend money or because I want to impress my fans. I want impress people. Make them they love me. Who say not like say he not like what I they wear, or he not like say I wear clothes 2 times they do video. Now he know. Now you thought be that one. If you say no one watch me because of that one, my dear, you can go. You feel go other people just they will just love what I they wear. We just love the way I be. They go follow me. So when I see this girl now, she can't where her hair can't open, she can't see say social media no water more. Even the people where she they wear them for. Even whether they even they wear one cloth which how many times see. But she know. I know of people now. That time when you go church, some people just there. Church where they go every Sunday. They don't wear that cloth. They don't wear that Sunday. Wear them again. No, I don't wear them. Make they wear them. Make people come. They say they not get clothes. No, they not go wear. Though they buy. They go they do fashion for church. I think now God they go they serve before. But now fashion they come they do. When I see this girl, now she don't hire to buy. See clothes. She even get the one she never even wear. She get even she herself not even know say I never wear this clothes because she know they go there. She they buy. See room, see clothes. When I see clothes, I shocked her like I say, eh? So people they like that. Don't just they buy. Oh God, that go help us. So for this, I want to impress people. Maybe people love me. Maybe people feel say I gallant. I be this, I be that. Don't go put it for your neck, oh. When I see this, our sister now. Don't go put it for your neck. Some go buy credit again. I know one lady that and so she they do. Buy. It's something she will go to buy credit. If you see the person they come like this, she go pick raise. You go the add. Oh, because I want to do big. I want to do I too much. I be this, I be that. Whether she not be now she go say she be. I want impress people now they cause her. If she the friend boy, he don't get money. He go lie to the boy and so I be big girl. I be this, I be that. The boy when they want go do shopping, the boy want give her money. Say, take me, you take buy something. He go say no worry. I get because it already raise the body for the boy saying I'm a big person. When you go the Afro shop, you can't go the back credit because you know the person. You can't go the back credit. So my dear people, not the cut your coat according to your size. If you not get money, not the bye. Even though you even get the money, not the bye. Who you want to impress? Who they help? They don't bath. People who you want to impress, they don't bath. They don't bath. Hey, my dear people, when I see this lady now, she can't know say social media no worth time to the bye. Now she can't begin they do this madness. So when they see her, so my people, wanna learn from this one. If you be presenter, you be social media public figure, my dear, not go the bye because you want to impress people. Do the one way you feel do, my dear. Clothes wey you don't feel wear, use and take present again. You don't mean anything. If people say they don't want to wash you because you wear that same clothes before, another person will wash you. Yeah, thank you everybody. Take care until I come your way next time. I remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe. So anything what you think about this video, just leave your comment for the comment section and put thumbs up for me. Bye everybody. Bye. Share this video, may it go viral. Share it because one or two people they have to learn really because even Niger people now bye not they let them see road bye. Presenters bye not they let them see road. I want to impress people. Maybe my fans see me say I gallant. You can't go enter a gbese. Who you not go expect. You bye finish now. But maybe the clock not they enter you again. I know one guy that time bye not let them see road bye. One thing you not get for Nigeria. One thing because of bye designers. If cloth not get name, you know they wear because of I want be big boy. Make guess the trip. Who they help? Who they help? They don't bath. They don't bath. Igbese. You use a tape carry and put for your neck. The cloth now when you buy that and it go see the enter you now. Now you fair reason. So bye. More take am easy. Don't say even me I dey buy. Don't say I not dey buy, but there is a limit. Thank you, everybody. Bye.
This one's a no-go zone, madam. We are going to choose. Come. How can somebody
them. Look at. How can someone have all these clothes? For what? Hey, we start with this. Look at this one. Here. This is Mombasa. Rongo is coming. Look. How can someone have 1 million clothes that they're not putting on? Hey, chai. Salome. See, is it not madness? This is madness. How can I have our own room for just clothes when some people don't have clothes? Madam, come shop, come shop, come shop. Take them out, all. Hey.
You're a shopaholic, you know? That's why.
No. This habit must stop. This thing happens when I could not put on my one cloth for 2 days. When I put on my clothes for 2 days, yes, hey, we are tired. We are tired of that cloth. Now see what social media pushed me into. See what social media pushed me into before I learned who they were. Until I learned them yes, that they don't even have clothes to change. Then you just buy your clothes. Even some still have tags. Look, I look like a Mutumba seller. See, I'm just show them. See what social media can make you as a person. See, I've just cleaned this, just part 1. Then we are coming to part 2. This is church clothes. Save us, church clothes. God is living here in my house. Then this one. This I don't know, I can call them Malaya clothes or whatever clothes they want to be. This social media, I just buy my expensive clothes. I put it on one time. I cannot repeat because they will tell me, hey, you are repeating that clothes how many times? Mrs. Ngeas, see what? Before I learned what social media is, see what they pushed me into. Some clothes I've ever put on just once and then it is done. Some are even stolen by the houses and the houseboys and everything. See, this is just Mombasa. Rongo is another set. I am offloading everything. And I will be putting on one cloth for five times in a month. If you come and tell me that I've repeated that cloth, I will insult you, your mother, your father, your church pastor. And I want you to tag me your wardrobe before you tell me that I've put on clothes 2 times. See what you people have done for me. See, all this is money. All this is money that I've wasted because of social media. Because if I put on my clothes, I've bought expensive for two times, maybe 2 times a month. And then, that cloth, you put it on. See, this one. These shoes, they don't even know. It's even torn. See, go and call the police in your area. They tell them Akone's putting on a torn shoes. These shoes, I bought it in Switzerland since 3 years ago. They don't even know if I have 2 or 1. Then they can, See what you put me into. See, you pushed me until I'm now owning a clothes shop in my home. I had to prepare a wardrobe and have all this kind. See, social media, see, you've made my house into rubbish. You've made my house into rubbish with your comments. This is how you push us celebrities into wasting money for nothing. Now I even have, look, see, I didn't even know this one was here. Now I keep on shopping for you. Who are you, idiot? Who are you? Who are you to tell me what to put on and who have broken my neck? Who are you to tell me when to dress and when not to? What to put on 2 times and when? If I find you on my wall again. Wait, I must breathe. Yes, if I find you on my wall again, telling me how I should dress, and if I should not repeat the dress 2 times, are you shopping for me? Are you shopping for me? I am asking you, idiot! You will make celebrities commit suicide. Hey, that dress, you put it on 2 times. Hey, that handbag. See? Bring them, let them come and see. See by yourself. You think I'm joking? See what madness you are driven me into. See, this is supposed to be Papoyo's room. Papoyo left. Now this is another clothes for 1 person. See, shoes. I cannot even put on my boots in peace. These boots I bought for $1,500. Now if I put it on 2 times, they'll tell me, hey, you put on that shoes 2, 3, 4 times. We your life. Show me your life before you start dictating how I live my life.